Welcome to Major Antonio's Military History to Your Ears. War is Hell, New U.S. General William Tecumseh Sherman. Military history, therefore, is more than a narration of who fought whom, when, where, why, how and to what effect. Its study can teach us about our very nature itself. Major Antonio explores this strange yet familiar realm using fascinating documents, presented in audio format. We shall address military history from ancient to modern warfare, from iron swords to weapons of mass destruction, from world to civil war, from battle tactics to grand strategy, from famous generals to their armies, and to navies, air and special forces, of course. Join in and delve into the most extreme of human experiences. Subscribe to our channel.